Hello, I received the request to create this bag, but I did it before. I decided to voice this tutorial to better understand this sewing process. As you can see, the bag is small. I sewed it from old jeans. To ensure that the bag holds its shape well, I use fusible interfacing. All necessary measurements are shown on the screen. I prepared these strips for the base of the bag. As you can see, I fold the edge line by 1 cm and iron it. Also, we need to fix it with the stitching. Fold it in half and stitch here. Seam allowance about 1 cm. Now you can finish the sewing line where the edges join. We need 2 such details for our bag, and these are details A. This is another one detail. The measure is on the screen. Fold 1 cm and stitch. Also, we need 3 details in this size. Also, we need to fold the edges, stitch them, and the details are done. So we need the detail B 1 piece and the detail C 3 pieces. Now we need to complete the bag. The process is easy. As you can see, we just need to wave the bag. The details A joining with the detail C, like you can see on the video. Just waving, turn and waving. Then we need to add the detail C from the sides. Okay, that is we have. The next step, prepare the handles. Use jeans and fleece interfacing thin iron, a tote. Join them with the fabric and stitch from the sides with allowance about 7 mm. That is we have. Cut off the extra edges. Then turn it right side out and iron it. Okay, now fold twice and stitch on the sewing machine. You need to place the handles between the straps and fix them. Then we need to stitch in a circle along the top edge. The first part is done and we have the base of the bag. The next step is preparing the lining. I measure the circumference of the bag from the inside and divide the result in half. Fix it in a memory. Then I measure the length from the top of the back wall of the bag through the bottom to the top of the front wall of the bag. I also divide this result in half. Don't forget to add 1 cm for seam allowance on all edges. This way you get a rectangle of the required size for this lining of the bag. If you want, you can just use my measurements. Okay, prepare the lining. Measures you can see on the screen. I use cotton, but you can use any fabric you have. Just cut out neat rectangles. Fold one side from the top and make stitch. Now I'm showing how to make a pocket in the lining. Prepare the pocket fabric to the desired size, so size is optional. Sew the fabric to the lining with the right sides facing each other. Then make a slit in the window as shown in the video. Pull the pocket fabric through the slit. Okay, iron it and stitch along the window edge. That is we have. Now fold the pocket fabric in half and stitch along the edges. This simple method allows you to create pockets without a zipper inside your bag. It is easy and I hope it clear understandable. This is what we got. Now we need to join the linings and stitch them along the edges. I measured the thickness of the bag. I've got 6 centimeters. Now open the corners of the lining like this. Next I find the required measurement. This way we find the place of the side stitching of the lining. I hope the video makes everything clear. Sorry for my explanation, I'm just trying to make it more understandable. We just stitched and cutted the extra edges and make it from the both sides. The lining is ready, just insert it into the bag and add the magnetic clasps. The final step is stitching during the top edge. I made it by hands, but you can use sewing machine. The bag is ready. This is my way of sewing such a bag, but there are many other options for sewing a woven bag on YouTube. Just choose the best for yourself. Some make these bags with drawstrings, some with buttons. So the bag is done. I hope the video was clear for you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!